All right, good afternoon, everyone. Attorney Black here with some more information on estate planning and probate. So last week we talked about guardianship. This week we are going to talk about conservatorship. I know I hit on it a little bit last week, but pretty much what conservatorship is, it's a legal process where someone goes through the court to receive the right to manage your financial affairs in the event that you cannot do it for yourself. So it's generally for an incapacitated adult who needs assistance with managing their financial affairs, things like paying your bills, managing your property, just handling the person's money and property for them because they can't do it for themselves. So what the conservatorship process looks like is going through the probate court, requesting or completing a petition for conservatorship. Same thing is going to be time and money with this legal procedure. So you're going to have to do a petition. There's going to be medical exams. There's going to be a review of the financial affairs that are going to be connected to this person's estate. And so it can be time consuming, and the court may limit what you can and can't do with the person's finances as a conservator. So while you are getting the access to manage it, you are going to be limited by court control. So how do we avoid conservatorship? It's similar to guardianship. You want to make sure that you have your estate planning documents prepared, which will determine for yourself who you would like to manage your financial affairs in the event that you're unable to do them for yourself. So what that looks like is a power of attorney, listing your specific fiduciaries within the power of attorney and listing what their powers are for your managing your financial affairs. Also, you can do this in a trust as well. So if you are interested in learning more about ensuring that your family does not have to go through the conservatorship process, please feel free to reach out to our firm. It is important to know and understand that once you become a guardian and a conservator, you do not have an automatic right to handle the affairs, the estate planning affairs of that individual ward. So you want to make sure that while your parents, grandparents, you yourself have the mental capacity to do estate planning, that you go ahead and get it done. Because once that capacity is gone, we are not going to be able to do anything with that person with regarding to preparing their estate documents. So contact our firm. All of our information is linked to our website.